Anybody do that dance, you nasty up, and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, looping. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Clothes when me rocking at the fucking realest. Chichi.
Hard to agree with her. Hard to agree where we stand. She thinks way too deep.
It's been a minute. Hold on, I gotta get my composure. Hey guys, it's the girl, Selena, and welcome back. Yeah, I gotta do that again. One more time. Woo. Hey y'all, it's the girl, Selena, and welcome back to my channel. So, where do I even start? Today is the day. BRT, day number 1, beach bonfire with KES. First of all, we're dumb late. It's already 8:30, 7:30, 8:30, one of them times. Started at 5, ended at 11, always late. My friends and I they're in the room. They're all getting ready. I'm pretty much ready. Let's do a little outfit check for you guys. I gotta see where, y'all see the pool. I gotta see where I wanna do that at. This is just a lot right now. First of all, I never have dreads. My dreads are super long, 30 inches, it goes crazy. But I'm super excited. I wanted to take some clips after this to show us the process of us coming here, because it was really crazy and exciting, but I didn't really make it a full vlog because I think it would be too much. But this is day number 1 of a BRT weekend. Friday, as I said, Kiss the Band. We'll be here, beach bonfire. If you want to see more videos, if you want to see part 2 and part 3, or day 2 or day 3 of this beautiful weekend, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see just everything, just see my life, me outside, because I'm gonna be outside for the rest of my life. So literally, I'm gonna see if I can do an outfit check for you guys. You guys can't really see. I was trying to show a little boob, but we don't have much boob. It's kind of hard, you know. But it's a little flow dress. It's so pretty. I gotta find a good spot for you guys. We're gonna find somewhere. I left my friends, y'all. We're gonna find somewhere so we can find a nice place for these pictures. I'm just looking for a place to put my phone, y'all. Once I find that, we'll be... Oh, this is a stairway. Maybe here would be better. Oh, but then it won't stay. Okay. There we go. This is a little better. Yeah, I did all this work for you guys. So this is the outfit. I have a green bag. I forgot it back there. But what do y'all think? I really want your opinion. I think it's super cute. This is from Pretty Little Thing. Super cute. It didn't come with bottoms, but I got these really cute bikini bottoms, and it has a matching top. So I'm gonna wear this bathing suit separately, like this and the shirt separately. But the green panties came in handy. 30 inches. 30 inches. It's really crazy. I can't even manage. My head is so heavy. But yeah, the hotel we're staying at is actually a smoking, this floor you can smoke, so it smells like mad cigarettes and weed. But my friends just want to be lit because it's giving smoking. So everyone's lit. We're late as fuck. I need to be rushing them, so I just want to go inside and let's see if we can talk to everybody, see their status. I really want to introduce you to everyone so everyone can get a formal introduction, but you know, I don't wait till we're ready. So, but this is for the part where I said I want to add the clips in. I'm going to add the clips in right here. This is the most ghetto intro I think I'm ever doing. Look at this. Yo, I think they're outside. Are they outside? Yeah, they're outside. Y'all, long story short, it's the day of BRT. I'm running super late. So much is going on. We don't have space in the car. Like, it's a lot going on, but hey guys, it's your girl Selena, and welcome back to my channel. Sorry this is so rushed, a lot's going on. My friends are like pulling up outside. It's the day of BRT, a lot's going on. It's very hectic. I'm not prepared. My hair is not done. I literally have to do my hair in the car or something. It's a lot. It's really a lot. Look at how packed the damn.
Oh, no. First of all,
we can't open it from here.
Can't.
No, we can't.
We can't.
Okay.
Crazy.
Okay. First, we gotta move the things on the seat.
Okay.
I can see that's all suitcases back there. It don't even end. The car is packed up, packed up. I want you to see. First of all, look at the Puliana right by where we are. Yeah, this is all the bags we have. This is literally insane. Grips. I'm gonna give you a full tour when we get inside, but it looks like we're literally moving in.
Moving.
We are.
Literally, this is my suitcase. It's a little big, but y'all will see the tour from inside. Ice and vending. That's good. I'm gonna put this up and then show you the final result. Voila, guys.
Who did the packing? A1 packing. A1.
Who's pushing it? Hi. Thing. Teamwork.
I think it's stuck on the side.
Hey, the weight capacity.
It says
3,000. Well,
This is our little ghetto room. Aww, it's so cute.
smoke vibe.
Yeah, right.
Smoke vibe.
I would like to be on this bed. It's a little bigger to me.
Yeah.
You see it too, right?
Yeah.
All right. Because
So I don't think we should push it in. And
basically, I look crazy, but long story short, we're gonna look cute soon. We're just gonna get ready, clean up, and it's time for the real function stuff to start. I'm gonna make an intro, and we're gonna we're just gonna do what we gotta do. Oh! This girl over here. Okay, so we're back. I hope you enjoyed that little clip of us going crazy with all these damn bags, and we were just all over the place. But now I'm heading back into the room. This is Jay. If you don't know Jay right now, first of all, she's been in snowboarding. First of all, if you're a real one, you know. Music, BRB. Copyrights. Yeah, if y'all a real one, y'all watch the snowboard video, you will see my girl Jay. So, right now I'm waiting for these girls. They're taking so freaking long.
I'm ready. I just need lip gloss.
Should I wear this on? Just throwing it off.
No, because your face is giving and then the shades just cover it. Yeah.
Thank you.
Red, right?
It's the only shit I have is green. So sad.
Yeah.
Okay.
Unless you put it on your.
Yeah, this is giving a little bit more beachy.
Yeah.
Or no shades at all.
No shades at all. No shades at all. Yeah.
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a favor. I'm so faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and a carriage. But you never could imagine. Never said you could have it. You
Made bartender.
Yes,
Jazz.
baby.
Multitask.
We're on the rocks tonight.
Literally multitasking queen.
What are you drinking?
OJ. That's so cute. We're sober and we're acting like we're ready.
And we're sober. That's straight off your life.
Oh, all right, y'all. So when we're walking outside, we about to go. All right, we got everyone outside. 1, 2,
Except-
3, 4.
And 5 inside.
Oh.
No, we're gonna leave her because Leah, this is not okay.
Okay. Introduction number 1.
Hi, I'm Javelle.
Do you want to give your Instagram or anything, or you don't care? Okay. Wagwan, my you.
Hi, I'm Saf.
This is Saf. We love Saf. Saf's the best. Instagram or no?
No.
Got you.
Hi guys, it's Jasmine.
This is your first one. Hold on.
Yeah.
If you're a real one, if you're a real subscriber, come on.
Nicole Jazz. Wait.
We have two to give out.
Nicole Jazz _ on
Yes.
And I'm Ellie. With a belly, because I like to eat.
Oh my gosh, yes, but her real name is
Ellie.
Ellie.
Instagram is Ellie.sicko. Follow me on the gram, you know,
Period.
fashion, music, sex, and
First of all,
arts.
so yeah, guys, we back into the core. Wristband on. It's a little dark, so
The nigga came out of his room and was smoking a spliff. It was
yo, don't stop.
where I got this from. I would say my mama, but she ain't got no titties, so my grandmama. Yeah, my mom has like titties, but it's not like as big.
Yeah.
Like my shits is like.
Casa, 2% orange, 98% Casa. Blood clot. Yeah. This long ass line to park. Cass is here. You hear Cass? Done. Done. Dong. Yes, Cass. Come on in. That's it. Not falling. Beat him up. Over there. Give it to me now. Baby. Yeah. Buddy. Oh my gosh! Literal sand! Yeah, we literally walking in sand, marching in sand. Look at the line to get in, y'all. Come early, bro. Come early. Don't be like us.
What you contemplating now? Back at all. Hey, so free up yourself and just go now. Girl, come up that phone. Make your mama roll now. What you waiting for? You will come in and come all over. Just a damn good soul. I'm a little, and I love you totally.
You got no warning. Vlog, the light is so bad now. But we are, lots is happening. I don't want to get copyrighted, but long story short, we're at the after party and I'm gonna try to get as much footage as I can. And I'll put you on about the night later on when I get home. Hopefully I'm not too drunk, and love y'all.
Yo, hey, man, anybody do that dance, you're nasty up, and them nasty up. From you see me a cleanest. Clothes when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching ching. Inna the Louis V vest, girl want with his squeezy liquor and real bless. Can a blow breeze for the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Ease out, easy,
Yeah, them a be a fake things.
Hey vloggy vlog. That sounds crazy. Hey vloggy vlog. I'm just feeling nice. But we left the party. It was lit. It's literally 3:30 something a.m. We have to head home. Next event is tomorrow 10 a.m. We have to leave at 9 a.m. in the morning, and that means we have to get up goddamn 6 a.m. I don't even know. Good night. Good night. Why is the light like that? I hate that. I don't know what's wrong. Let me see. Okay.
That's better.
Yeah, guys, I don't know what's happening with the light. How are you feeling? How's your thoughts about the party?
I'm feeling hungry as hell.
Hungry as a
Yeah, I can't wait to go home and eat, shower. But the party was okay.
It
Just
got
because
good at the end.
It did. Dun 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 dun.
Yo. All right, y'all. So when we get back to the place, the people, the hotel, actually, I probably will fall asleep by then. So good night. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you for going all the way to the end. Like, I really mess with you for that. I love you guys so much. Please subscribe to my channel. Like I said, comment below what you feel about the video. What's your vibe? Are you going to BRT next year? Did it give? Did you go to BRT this year? Let me know. Did you see me and I didn't see you? Like, literally chat to me in the comments, because I just want to know what's going on in your head, you know? And give this video a big thumbs up if you like. Stay tuned for video 2 and 3 of BRT. And I love you guys so much, and see you in the next video.